Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to be covering this hole on the side with a snorkel. So we've got our snorkel, we got it from LR Parts, and we'll just do some unpacking. So we've got a template, we've got a gasket, and then we've got the actual snorkel itself. So it comes all nicely wrapped. So this bit will sit up here. Oh, there's a little spider. Get away. So this bit goes in through here and up to here. Lay that down for a second. What else do we have? Oh. We have a few other bits and pieces. We've got all of our brackets and clips. Then we've got a hose to connect to the airline. And last but not least, we have the instructions. So I'm gonna lay this out. I'm gonna give this a quick read, and then we'll start installing. So the first part is to remove the intake plastic piece, which is this bit. So that was sitting in behind. And then to remove the air intake pipe here. So that's gone. Then, so now we have a connecting tube down here. So normally, like my antenna is broken, but normally it sits in a clip in here and it comes out a hole up here. Now, the instructions say that this bit here is going to get in the way, so we might need to cut it off, and then we can remount somewhere else for the antenna, but. Yeah, we'll try and figure that out. So you can see the connector piece here. It goes into this part of the air intake ducting. So that you've got your air filter here. So you can see the crinkled pipe running along, goes up into the air filter, from the air filter runs into the turbo, from the turbo into the engine, and then it comes up through this recirculatory valve, and then some of it goes out the exhaust and some of it comes into this and it goes back in at this intake manifold. So what we'll do now is we'll just fasten these up. Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, so we'll push this, I'll take this out, get another Jubilee clip, and we'll tighten it all up, and then we should be in a place where we're ready to mount on the front of the snorkel here. So we have our template up, so we taped it on based on this right kind of backhand corner. We've marked it. The instructions say to drill a 16mm hole, but it's just these 8mm bolts that are going through. So these will go into here. We tighten it up with an Allen key. And then we feed this through, connect it, and then these bits will go through the holes. So we'll start small, we'll do a few attempts because we'll try and keep the holes as small as possible, and then we'll hopefully be able to fix it up. So we're going to do that now. So we've got it on now. You can see here, it's got a gasket on here, stop any moisture getting down. So there we have it, we've got this installed. We mounted here, and then we just added a little bracket. All we did with that was add a little bit of silicone to the back of the bracket and to a gasket, and we drilled a couple of holes. We broke a couple of drill bits. It was a little bit frustrating, but 4 self-driving screws, and then three bolts that go into little lock nuts in the back section of this. I just need to get a little black jubilee clip for here, but other than that, it's set up, it's ready to go. It's got nice door clearance, so that will come up like that. So it's got that little indent, so it doesn't bump into it. It's got nice clearance room for that. But we'll show you some close-ups as we outro. But again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the notification bell. It really does help us. As we go along, it encourages us. And if you have any questions, any comments, put them down below, and I'll definitely answer them. See you next time.